This episode highlights entrepreneurial success stories that begin at a kitchen table and evolve into disruptive online ventures. It follows a lean founder who validated ideas with real customers, built a minimal product, and iterated based on feedback. Practical tips cover validating demand, keeping burn rate low, and leveraging low-cost marketing through communities and content. A concrete case study contrasts bootstrapping with funded rounds, detailing milestones, metrics, and the mindset shifts required. The closing takeaway urges viewers to start small, document progress, and share lessons to attract collaborators and mentors.